Hi, how are you? When you detect a whiff of unpleasantness coming from the mouth of your lovable pooch, you just can't pass on a brief mint. First, you must figure out the source of the offensive odor to make sure a trip to the vet is not needed. Then, you should become familiar with the little tricks and home remedies for bad dog breath that can make playtime more bearable. Don't worry, problem solved. Here are some best remedies for dogs' bad breath. Dill, parsley, yogurt, dry kibble. Dill for dog bad breath. Try adding a couple of drops of dill infusion to your dog's drinking water, as the antibacterial properties help limit the growth of bacteria in the mouth. Parsley for dogs' bad breath. Sprinkling chopped parsley on your dog's food will help freshen their breath. Yogurt for dogs' bad breath. Ingredients found in a mixture of yogurt, uncooked carrots, and raw turkey can help lessen the effects of bad dog breath. Dry kibble for dogs' bad breath. When your pet chews large pieces of dry dog kibble, the hard texture helps clean their teeth. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, let us know in the comment and subscribe us.